Today's recipe is special, fried chicken biryani with white sauce. It's so delicious and easy to make. Let's get started. Chicken preparation. Chicken 1 kilogram. Clean and washed. Salt to taste. Lemon juice 2 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder ½ teaspoon. Paprika 1 teaspoon. Cornstarch ½ cup. Pinch of red food color. Mix well. Done. Cover and rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, mix again. Deep fry. Fry 10 to 12 minutes. Done. Masala preparation. Oil. Onion 1 cup. Fry until light brown. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Black peppercorns 10 to 12. Green cardamom 4 piece. Black cardamom 2 piece. Star anise 1. Cinnamon sticks 3 pieces. Cloves 5/6 pieces. Stir and fry few seconds. Yogurt. Stir. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder ½ teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Sauté 1 minutes. Sliced tomato 1 cup. Water. Salt to taste. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 5 minutes. Tamarind 2 tablespoon. Stir and mix. Cook 2 minutes. Coriander leaf. Slice green chili. Slice ginger. Cook 1 minute. Done. Layering. Prepared masala. Sliced tomato. Cooked rice. Fried onion. Coriander leaf. Slice green chili. Prepared masala. Cooked rice. Same process. Slice lemon. Slice ginger. Slice tomato. Orange food color. Fried chicken on top. Cover and cook on low heat 10 to 15 minutes. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. White sauce. Moments of truth. Thanks for watching.